she bad, her name is Kimmy. She got her own, she a boss chick. On the way to the top, ain't going back, no, no, no. Life is skinny.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be just doing a random video. We're just gonna update you on some things that we're doing today. Cause I'm on March break. I'm with me and my mother. Say hi. So we just came. We went to the auto shop to get our oil, the car oil change, and now we're gonna get something to eat. So see you in the next clip.
Hi guys, so I just got the car service. I'm so happy about that. Been meaning to get that done. So now we are at Tim's to get something to eat, and then we are gonna head back home, hopefully.
We just ordered our food and now we're just waiting. Yes, so we got our food. I got a turkey bacon sandwich.
The chicken habanero bowl.
And then for drinks we got these
These peach
drink.
Peach quencher.
Peach quencher.
The lemonade one.
Yeah, I got the same one. And then she got a donut, which I don't think she's gonna eat. I'm not sure.
It's a sour cream one and I don't like it. But yes guys, I couldn't even wait until I reach home. I am so hungry.
Yeah.
So in this they have lettuce, veggie, tomato,
Crispy chicken.
rice, and crispy chicken.
Mom, we got turkey, bacon, lettuce, and tomatoes, and then the bread. Okay, we're back at our next station. Right now we're at the mall. We're in Winners, just looking at some stuff. So yeah, we'll update you guys if we end up buying something or going to a different store. Bye.
Yeah.
I got that blue fever, cold as ice till you came near. You're like another.
So guys, now we're in Urban Kids. We're just looking at some clothes, see what they have here. And if we didn't end up buying anything from the other store, so we're just at the store. Maybe buying some stuff, don't know. Just looking around.
Fire breathing creature, but it don't burn how it appears. It's true, you could make me melt. But don't you forget it, if the first thing you felt forever do for reasons, it's only because.
Hi guys, I am back. And you know what it's how to do it, bro. So a couple days ago I went shopping, but let's go. We're gonna do a haul, cause like why not? Who doesn't want to see a haul? So I went to You Kids by the title. So I got this shirt. It says more bubbles, less trouble. It might be backwards for you guys, but yeah. And at the back, it has this with a whole bunch of different bobas. Then we have these pants. And then the bottoms, they're like this because I love these type of bottoms. Second, I got these shorts, these small shorts. I got them in a size 12. Then I got another pair of a beach shorts. They're very short, but who cares? Second, we have I got the Stitch. Okay, we got the Stitch T-shirt. This is the that's the back, and this is the front. Then, our last thing that we have, I got these shorts. So, these are my favorite. They're so cute. Like, they're so cutesy. Then it came with a sweater top, which I will definitely be wearing. With this sweater top. So, yeah. So that's all I got from you kids. I got some more stuff, but those are in the wash. And I'm not about to dig through my wash. So that's all I have right now. And I have my mom here. Come on. And listen. You guys better follow and subscribe because I'll wait. She'll wait. We'll wait. So go ahead. Like, follow, and subscribe.
What she said.
Yeah.
What she said.
What I said.
What she said.
Period. Dot blank.
Period. Clap that T.
Clap that T. Clap that T. Clap that T. Clap that T. See you guys in the next clip. Bye.
Hi guys. And so prom is coming up and my sister is going to prom, so we are looking for dresses. Exciting. I love this for her. So we just got here. What's the name of this place? This place is Karma, and it's in Dartmouth, and we are going to select 4 dresses and have her try them on and see if she likes them. If not, we're just gonna have to order something online. But yes, let's get cracking. She said silver and gold. Shani, look on this. Ooh, this nice. Just pretty.
I like that, yeah. I love this. Ooh.
It's
Size
really
8 to 10
nice.
though. This size I was size 4.
Go 4, 4, 6, 6, 8 over here. So
You don't like this, but I want it.
that's the one to do. Come. But the red look good and red that look nice for you.
Oh, mommy, I told me don't wear red. But
She said not to,
yeah, because she wear red too much.
but it look good for you. What about that one there?
What size is it? Okay, perfect. Which
What about
one?
blue? Do you like blue?
It's just like, but I don't like that.
No? Where's that navy blue looking something there?
They want they color you?
No, not navy blue. That's too dark. You need something bright. Okay guys, so she picked out 4 dresses to try on. This is the first one, which I love. I love seeing her in red. It looks beautiful. This burgundy one, this gold looking one, and this silver one. This one is my favorite. I love this one. This one is given Fuji. I love this one. So we're gonna get started. Okay guys, so this is the first dress she decided to try on, and I love it so much. I think the color complements her complexion and it's just so beautiful. I love it. Comment down below how much out of 5 you would rate this dress, because this is my number 1, let me tell you. She went on to try this beautiful burgundy dress. I also love this color on her. I think it's beautiful, but she wasn't really feeling it. She didn't like the split on the side and how the back was, you know, showing up all her niceness. And then this one was the last one. I wasn't really feeling this one, but you guys, Tell me what you think. Which one of the dress you would choose for prom? I don't know. Comment down below. So today I'm gonna go get my nails done. I've had these nails on from Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna go do these today, and I'm gonna get me a new phone. So I'm excited about that because the one that I have, I've had it for the past 5 years, and now it's just doing the most. It is doing the most. So I'm gonna get myself a new phone, get my nails done, and yeah, let's see where the day takes us. My appointment for my nails is at 2:45, and it is currently this is wrong. This gotta be wrong. What time is it? Oh, 12:39. That clock is wrong. But yes, so I am heading out. I can give you guys a quick OOTD. Yes, so I am wearing this top. It says up your game, and I got this top from my mom. Wearing these jeans that I got from Shein, and these sandals from Michael Kors, and my Steve Madden bag. Yes, so that's the fit for today. So now let's head out. Okay guys, so I am in the car right now, and I just stepped outside. I have sandals on. It's pretty cold to my liking, honestly. But I'm doing my toes as well. I didn't want to put shoes on and then have to take them off and put them on again. So, yes. I hope I don't freeze my feet off. But yeah, I'm going to head to the mall right now. I'm going to go to the Apple store and see if I can get my new phone. I don't know what I'm going to choose yet. Because, listen, I'm not trying to do no expensive bill, nothing. But let's see. I just need something that's working, okay? So, okay, I'm gonna go do that, and I am on my way. I had breakfast already, so, well, brunch, because I woke up late. I'm not hungry, and that is good. That's less spending money, okay? So, I am going to listen to some music and be on my way. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm finally on the mall, and I'm heading to the Apple store right now. So yeah. Okay guys, so this took longer than expected, and I didn't even get the phone. They don't have the one that I want. They don't have it in stock. So I'm gonna have to come back. But then the girl, she wasn't even explaining the thing properly, because now I changed my phone provider from Eastlink to Bell, which I never need to do, because they don't even have the phone that I want in stock. Like, listen, I'm so annoyed. But you know what? It is what it is. So I didn't get my phone. However, my bill is less than what I was paying before. So that's good. So, yeah, now I'm going to go and make it to my appointment. What time is it? It is 2:15. And my appointment is at 2:45. And where I'm at, it's not far. So I think I'm just going to make my way and then go wait. So yes, I will see you guys when I am there. Okay guys, so I am walking to my appointment right now. And I'm very excited because look at these nails. Just look at them. It's been like a month, like a full month, full 4 weeks. So I'm glad I'm getting that done. I had to park all the way over there and then walk because there's no parking right here. But it is so beautiful outside today, you know. And I'm alive and well, and I'm grateful. Thanks be to God. So yeah.
You ain't here. I can't feel it in the air. My cold sweat dripping everywhere. I'm all wet. I don't even care as long as you're right here, playing in my bed. I'm so yeah.
Can't complain.
The one and only.
Dated that.
Period.
How are you?
I'm good.
We can this nice though the goal was golden. Girl. Oh wow.
Everybody love it. Even now. Oh, your nails look so nice. Like, thank you.
84 years.
What everyone said, I'm all in. I couldn't care less as long as you're true leader. The non-obliged promise to please ya. If you're open fire, then it's treason. And I decide to go out swinging. If you shoot, then you can bet every single dollar and your last few cents that I will too. And I mean it. Tell me, where do we go from?
Y'all see this? It's supposed to be spring next week, and snow is falling, and I'm not just for the weather. Look at this. Oh my gosh. But yes, my nails are done, and I'm so happy, and I am heading straight home right now. It is freezing. So much for a beautiful day. Snatch. But yeah.
Life is scheming.